Hello, I'm Peter Towers, Managing Director of BIZTOOLS. Welcome to Accountant's Minute. Will you have an ESIC story? I want to share a story with you. A business comes to have a discussion with you on research and development, and you give them some advice and suggest that they form a company. A year later, they come back to see you to have their income tax return prepared. And they're very excited. They share with you some of the information pertaining to their research and development activities. They've seen a patent attorney. They've applied for a provisional patent in Australia, and they intend to ultimately have their new product or service technology patented around the world. They then tell you that it's going to cost a lot of money to successfully commercialise their invention. But they're keen, they're wanting to do something. So you tell them about the Australian government's new legislation, the Early Stage Innovation Company legislation, which commenced from the 1st of July 2016. And you suggest that you be appointed by them to undertake a due diligence review on their company to see whether they could self-assess as an early stage innovation company. But you stress to them the absolute importance that they prepare an appropriate file on all the supporting documents that they have utilised in the evaluation as to whether they are an early stage innovation company. And of course, you would be part of that process. When you are satisfied that they have appropriately self-assessed themselves as an early stage innovation company, you could then advise them that unfortunately that's only the start of the journey that they're now on. They now have to get themselves investment ready so that they are going to be acceptable to investors, because investors will not only want to know that the company is appropriately self-assessed as an early stage innovation company, they then want to see the budgets, the cash flow forecasts and the business plan. And then the final document to be produced is the information memorandum. You can then mentor the CEO on being able to make investment presentations to business angel groups and to founders forum groups around Australia as they attempt to raise money. Or if you're uncertain about attending to some of these innovation processes, this investment ready process, you might refer them to an affiliate who you've already had some discussions with to ensure that your clients receive top class service. What have you done in this whole process? You've taken someone that originally had an idea, you've encouraged them to go down the research and development process, you advised them to form a company so that they could obtain the research and development rebate, and when they came and had a discussion with you about their need to have capital introduced into their business, you introduced them to the early stage innovation company and then guided them through the self-assessment process and then through the investment ready process and the investment presentation preparation process. You have helped create an ESIC story. I believe that accountants who are traditionally working with the small medium enterprise clients should be the ones who are undertaking this process. Not larger firms, not international accounting firms, but firms who are at the grassroots helping small medium enterprise operators and inventors to achieve their aims and their aspirations in life. If you would like to receive an article that we have written on will you have an ESIC story, why not go to our website www.esbiztools.com.au And at the same time, you can register for our special webinar on Do You Have an ESIC Story, which is to be presented on Wednesday the 7th of September at 12 noon Australian Eastern Standard Time. Within ESS BIZTOOLS and ESS BASIP, we have a full product range to assist accountants like you to guide your clients through this self-assessment process as to whether they are an ESIC, and then to guide them through the investment ready and investment pitch presentation phases. Why not go to www.essbasip.com.au, that's BASIP, to review the material that is part of ESS BIZTOOLS ESIC Story. So good luck on creating an ESIC story for not only one, but maybe a dozen of your clients and prospects over the next 12 months. In 2016-17, the year of business advisory services. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.